beautiful. There go more ships. Just got dressed and I am on my way out to go into the island and see what they have. My outfit fit. My mother-in-law got me this Michael Kors pouch. This right here from Shein, well, Forever 21. Shein, everything else is Shein. Starbucks.
That's right.
Crocs.
Yeah, this is gonna be a decent one.
No, it was. We was gonna be walking all day. Bahamas. They got Nike.
Really?
Yeah, Nike store. We got. Oh yeah, we gonna stop by there too. Rum Cake Factory. There's Atlantis right over there. palm trees are so pretty. Illinois and Indiana Carnival.
Ain't nobody spend no money.
Well, we can see the ocean critters for free.
When the fuck is it? This one. 18 months.
So that'll be 75, okay? Alright. Make sure to have your ID when you go up front.
75 even?
This is beautiful. Oh, this is a food court over here. A lot of people going back. They're like, we hungry. Having a selfie stick. Fucking cornball.
Dang, a cornball is insane.
Hey y'all, so we just got dressed and we are on our way to go eat dinner. Right now it is 5:30 and we're gonna go downstairs to the main dining hall and go get some food. This is my outfit. It's elegant night, so I just threw something together.
I'm trying to make some money today. When they say herb crack, the flash is crazy.
Hey y'all, good morning. I just woke up and then I headed down to the breakfast buffet and I got some food. Right now we're about to head to the basketball court to see if it's open. If it's not open, then we're gonna go to the gym. And I think miniature golfing is over there as well, so I'm gonna see if they're doing like miniature golfing, and I'm gonna do that as well. I just got on a little basic like outfit, none too serious. I just put this on to go get breakfast. I'm not gonna change until later. They got miniature golfing. I want to play miniature golfing today. I'm gonna see if it's, cause on there it said we can do it at like 10, so I'm gonna go to miniature golfing around 10. But I'm finna walk around the track. Y'all, my boyfriend is outside playing basketball. Hey y'all, so right now we are on our way to go add more money to our car, and then we're gonna go to the bar, hang out at the bar for a few, then we're gonna go to Love and Marriage. I think it's like a game show, I'm not 100% for sure. Then we're gonna go to the comedy show. We have not been able to get to the comedy show yet. The comedy show been packed jam, so we're gonna get there on time. We getting there at 10:30 on the dot. And we're gonna make it, and we're gonna laugh and giggle. All right.
remember with your partner. Because sometimes the numbers are not matching. And then it goes to Jerry Springer mode. So how many times you did it this cruise? Here for you, so please give them a huge round of applause. So water couples are going to demonstrate to you right now is the true love kiss, but a normal one, okay? Yes. You may go ahead.
In all sizes, that's what the fuck I do. I remember the first black woman on a road gig doing comedy that I made love to. Anyone care about the story? I don't give a shit. I'll tell it, man. I did a show in Detroit.
Good morning. This is our last meal of the day from the cruise. I'm gonna miss it. I had so much fun. I enjoyed myself. It's empty.